Rutgers EMBA program, if I had to choose one word, I'd say it's transformative. Day one, I think everyone came in with a little bit of imposter syndrome, but I think a lot of us have now really solidified our role in the program, but our outside role and where we want to go from here. I served in Ranger Battalion from 2007 to 2017. On my 4th deployment, I was shot. I went through 2.5 years of recovery, 12 surgeries, and the only thing that allowed me to heal faster, both mentally and physically, was keeping myself nutritionally prepared. And that's why I started Legacy Nutrition. It started off as just an idea, and with the help of my Rutgers peers, it allowed me to grow the company. I attribute the early success of Legacy to Rutgers. One thing that I learned was that in my business, I was the bottleneck. I was underutilizing myself. I was better off being less involved in the day-to-day operations and more involved in the growth of the company, the sales, the partnerships, the pricing. The Rutgers network is very passionate. I truly feel that the Rutgers community is going to be there for me no matter what, through the bad times, through the good times. The network has strengthened my ability to lead, and the network is forever.